Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. I don't know what title I'm going to give to this vlog. It will just be a random day vlog. So I woke up now, it's almost 8:30 now and I'm going to do my bed. I love to do my bed and clean the room. I don't. But then you don't have any other option, so let's go. Hi guys, I love this shirt. It's oversized and it's super comfy, that's why I like it. I just remember that I posted a story on my Instagram asking you people about your favorite songs. I was going to include that in a vlog, so I'm going to include it now. Also, I'm thinking of getting little dressed up because why not? Anyway, I'm all a day in my pajamas, so let's go. So hi guys, it's almost 2:30 now and a few days ago, I guess few weeks ago, I posted a story on my Instagram asking you people about your favorite songs because when it comes to me, I am very bad at having a good playlist. Even I'm not happy or satisfied with my own playlist, and I'm that person who loves listening to music but I don't take any effort to actually make and have a good playlist. So yeah, some of you sent me their favorite songs and the reason behind it, and I loved reading all those and I'm going to share all this with you guys. Okay, so I got plenty of answers. One of it was To Begin Again by Ingrid and Zayn. It gives me hope. Aisha from the Sky is Pink, a band name member. I love that song. Then Astronaut in the Ocean. It's energetic song and a whole vibe. Right 21 Pilots. वो पहली बार. It makes me happy. In fact, I'm singing it from past week now. A हैरत आशिकी. Stereo Hearts. The reason is only because of its lyrics. वक्त की बातें, दिल से दस्तक, Hall of Fame, A Million Dreams. Lyrics are so relatable. Magic Shop by BTS. The lyrics are very soothing. They are perfect to encourage you on days you feel low. And Ride One Republic. Mystery of Love. So calming. Tum Hi Aana. Then Pavisa because it's good to hear. Jia Dhadak because of the beats. Okay, so this is Magic Shop by BTS. Absolutely love the lyrics. And the one part of the lyrics is, I want to disappear forever. Let's make a door. It's in your heart. Open the door and this place will wait. Magic Shop. Thank you Simran for recommending me this song. I also love this song. The music is great. So my friend Samruddhi sent me in this song, Mystery of Love, and as rightly said by her, it is so calming. Okay, from this I have heard the Hall of Fame, A Hairat Aashiki. Stereo Hearts also I have heard. A Million Dreams. The lyrics are so good. So right now I'm grooving to Lofi music. There is this vibes Lofi music kind of mashup. Love listening to that. Also the Lofi version of Ranjhana, then Dildara. I love those two. So yeah, thank you so much for all of you for sending in your favorite songs.
Why did a banana go to a doctor? Because it was not feeling well. Oh! Repeat. Why a bicycle cannot stand on its own? Ask her to stand. Why can a bicycle cannot stand on its own? Because it is too tired. Stadium मध्ये एवढी थंडी का वाजते? कारण तिथे फॅन्स असतात.
हळूहळू येऊ दे.
2,000 years later.
Hi guys, I am back home. So I started reading again after the exams, and currently I am reading this book called The Authenticity Project. Basically in the book, random person just writes his own insecurities. He just writes something that we don't usually share, and he writes that in a green journal and he leaves that journal in a cafe. I'm reading it on Google Books, and its description says, everybody lies about their lives. What will happen if we shared the truth? And at the end of his story, he writes that whoever is reading this journal, please write down your story or your insecurity or any incident which you don't really share it with someone because of the depression and all other inhibitions. So it passes on, and as the book proceeds, you get to know the stories of different people. It's unique actually, and I don't know how it is going to end, but I personally love such kind of books which has a unique story and at the same time it is very relatable. Even if the situation is unique, the premise or the background is unique, story is still relatable, and the say of the story, the moral of the story is very basic and something we all can relate to. So yeah, this was a quick book review. Yes.
इकडे बघ, तिच्याकडे बघून कर.
बापरे, भारी करते.
तिच्याकडे बघून कर. ये मुलगी हे करते बिस्किट नाही, रेसिपी करते.
पण छोटा भीम पण छोटाच काय अजून, तो का नाही मोठा होत?
तो पण छोटाच बच्चा आहे.
पण तो मोठा का नाही होत? मोठा का नाही होत तो सांग.
कारण की तो कार्टून आहे.
म्हणून काय झालं? हे सुनियो पण एवढा छोटा काय, मोठा का नाही होत?
तो पण कार्टून आहे.
तू कशी मोठी होती?
कारण की मी रिअल आहे.
कोणतं कार्टून आवडतं तुला?
कार्टून
कोणतं? डोरेमॉन. तो पण मोठा नाही झाला. तो पण मोठा नाही झाला. हा,
रोबोट मोठा नाही होत कधी.
रोबोट मोठा नाही होत. मग नोबिता का नाही झाला मोठा? नोबिता का नाही झाला मोठा?
होतो तो मोठा.
कधी होतो?
मी जेव्हा मोठी.
अच्छा, मला सांगशील मग तो मोठा झाला की? So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you like it. It was a very random video. No, seriously, thank you so much for watching the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a very short vlog. But yeah, if you like it, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Share this video and let me know your suggestions or any feedback if you have in the comment section below. And take care of yourself, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.